This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting the iCloud deletion now. First, confirm you have Apple ID credentials and a 2FA method. Once done, back up anything you need because deletion is permanent for stored iCloud data. Make sure to sign out of iCloud on every device and disable Find My iPhone. This avoids lock issues later. If you're using a Mac, open System Preferences, go to Apple ID and sign out. On iOS, tap Settings, your name, then sign out. These steps prevent account holdups. Now go to Apple's Data and Privacy portal and sign in with your Apple ID. You'll verify with 2FA again. Next, select the option to request deletion of your account. Follow the on-screen verification prompts and acknowledge what will be removed. Make sure to use the export tool if you need a copy of mail, photos, or drive data before finalizing. Once you submit the deletion request, Apple will provide a request ID. Save that ID and monitor email for status updates. This keeps you informed through the process. Complete the final steps by confirming the deletion request and noting the estimated processing time. Apple may have a short deactivation period before permanent removal. Once submitted, use the request ID when contacting Apple support if you need status or reversal within the grace window. If something goes wrong, make sure your 2FA devices are reachable, clear any outstanding purchases or subscriptions, and confirm there's no activation lock on devices. Addressing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.